All right, guys, I'm actually back and something happened to the YouTube feed, so I just restarted it. I don't know what happened. My StreamYard just conked out. So what I'm going to do right now, though, is I'm going to do my video. It shouldn't take me too long, and I'll be right back. So what time is it now? 2:31. So let's say about 2:40. I'll make it 2:45. I'm sure, unless I run into some technical difficulties, I'm sure I'll be back before 2:45, but I'll put that in there. Hey, guess who was wrong about rent? Me. Me. That had no problem getting through 2 and 220 and all that, man. Anyway, I'll put myself on mute and I'll do my video now. All right, guys, I'm back. So, hi, Real. Whew, what a day, what a day, what a day. Okay, guys, I still have an eye on that PHVS, trying to hold this 10 level. Again, nothing surprises me. I mean, the high was $12. Nothing would surprise me. Yeah, so earlier today I was talking about rent. It was an AI alert, and I thought that two would be pretty tough to get through and not even close. I mean, a little bit, but not. I mean, we had about 45 minutes, maybe an hour at two, and then it just popped up, came right back down, all the way up to 250. Whew, big percentage mover. I'm definitely keeping an eye on the PHVS. The other one I'm keeping an eye on is ERNA. It's still over five. No, so I don't like that bottoming tail. I mean, I like it in terms of obviously the sellers trying to knock it down. 475, it has popped back up, but it's not smooth anymore. I thought, I'd like to hold that five level and then move out of that consolidation because yesterday's high was 635. Hey guys, PHVS on the move. How you trade this has got to be up to you, okay? I mean, this is super risky, of course. 17 million in the float. And see what it did? It just absolutely cratered. So that's why I'm saying you cannot wander away from your computer if you're going to trade something like this. So is YouTube back up and running? I don't know what happened, but the StreamYard, which I use to stream into YouTube and the others, it just stopped. It just so I don't know what happened there, but I've reloaded it, so YouTube should be up and running. So this one has been, man, I know I saw this one a lot earlier, this METC. I think I saw it right around this 1082 mark. What a fall here. And I think the next low looking left, yeah, it's kind of right there. 928, the 930 mark. Actually, 10, looks like 9 is the next low looking left. That's on a daily chart for METC. Don't see any specific. I guess what they're doing is they're preparing. They're saying Q4 earnings is going to be below the expectation or below the consensus. So I don't even know when. We don't even have an earnings date for them yet. So it must be, I think we go 30 days up and 30 days back. Oh man, I'm exhausted, Pepe. These three streams. Okay, I'm continuing to, one eye on the summit just in case it breaks up over 4 again. And that's the SMMT, of course. This is the first day. I haven't looked at the sectors in a long, long, long time. Not too late now, but so the Dow's up a little, Nas is up a little. Actually, Nas is up, having a pretty good day, and SPY's up a little. Give me a moment, I'll be right back. Diddy Y, is that their new symbol? Yeah, that when they went to the pinks. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I mean, this is one of those, it was Diddy before, of course, and then they got turfed from Nasdaq, I guess, and now they're on the pinks. Yeah, it is. It's had a move. All right, HRT guys, HRT, and let's take a look at this one. If it broke through 12, what could happen? The next low, it's 1192, so that's too close. 1059. I'm sorry, what am I saying? 1152 is not that. Okay, the next low I see is 1125. That's actually not bad. Or is no, there's a low here of 1178, and there's a low here of 1190. Yeah, there might be just a little too much potential support not that far away from that 12 mark for HRT. Otherwise, this, if we had a straight shot down to 10, it'd be awesome. Yeah, there's VOR. I see your VOR. VOR, yeah. CCJ, Chemical. Let's see what Chemical is doing. You guys are saying it's going nuts, and you're right. It is going nuts. Now, why it's not showing here? Relative volume is too low. It's just picking up now. Aha. Look at BIVI, guys. Maybe getting set for another run. Holding 8. What did you get up to? 849. Trying to hold that 750, 760 mark. BIVI. Okay, I see senators urge agency to allow U.S. support for nuclear projects. Okay. Yeah, so the high of VOR yesterday was 673, and it pulled back to 609, so it's above now. Of course, the close of yesterday, VOR, and as Zach said, it's bouncing, well, not bouncing, but it's way off that financing price, which was amazing yesterday. Look what it did today, though. Look at that bottoming tail, almost right to the 200-day area, and then it bounced off it. Again, it would not surprise me for the PHVS later on in the day to maybe take out 10 again. This is not a recommendation, but it wouldn't surprise me if it took out 10 again and had a run towards the high of the day. It may be over. I mean, it's looking like it, but I think it would probably have to take out about that $9 mark, and then I think it would truly be over. BIVI continues to hold just above 8. What about the float? 7 million in the float. Okay, let's see what ATVI is doing on their little trying to boost the confidence that the deal with Microsoft will close. Look at VOR. Pops up to 650 and then right back down to 630. Okay, guys, I think that might be it. We're just watching the PHVS. This could be a crucial level for it to try to hold. I think if it gets down below 9, I think that'll destroy the confidence of anybody who's thinking it might get back over 10. So Well, maybe not. These moving averages are trying to hold it. The ADMA and the 10 SMA. I know it's not the 20, but it's they're trying, look like they're trying to hold it. And then I'm talking about the PHVS on the 15-minute chart. What a choppy day in the SPY. Wow. I haven't really been following any of the major indices, but a very choppy day. They pop up, drop, pop, drop, pop. SHPH. Okay, let's take a look at SHPH from YouTube room. Jay in the YouTube room. Yeah, some volume coming in for sure. Volume coming in for sure. I think Andy at Trade Ideas has some of this. He's been holding on like very wild one, of course. All right, guys, I am NVX. What happened here? NVX got halted and then it popped up and then right back down. Okay, NVX. Don't know this one at all. Novanix. I don't think I've seen this one before. FLJ. This is one from yesterday. I know Zach was talking about this one yesterday. FLJ. So let's see. It's above yesterday's high, or it's right at yesterday's high, I guess. 234, 236. So it's basically at yesterday's high. So when you look left, now what did it get up to today? It got up to 250 odd. It gets that again, 270. So this got some room, and but it's not a low float. Again, they don't all have to be low floats. I'm just surprised. Something is this active with such a high float. Okay, guys, so I think what I'm going to do is I want to shut down the Discord room the way I normally would. I'm going to lock the server, and then I'm going to unlock the server. I'm going to put the link in for you guys to get in, and let's see if it's the same issue that a lot had at the beginning, okay? If you don't mind, and maybe I'll rely on Pepe and anybody else who wants to come back in once I lock the room down. I haven't done it yet. I'll do it at 3 o'clock. It's 1:59 right now. So in an hour, I'm going to shut the room. I'm just going to lock the room down. Lock the server like I always do. Not always do, but the last 2 days. Okay, guys, maybe I'm wrong about the PHVS. It has come right back up, almost getting back up to 10. So, okay, so I'm going to lock the room. Oops. Okay, so anybody who was in the Discord room should have been booted out, right? Or you can't do anything. I just locked down the server. Okay, good. So now I'm going to unlock. Okay, now the server is unlocked. Now, if you were in before, does that mean you're still in, or I have to give you an invite? And can I use can I use the old link? So you didn't have to okay, so you didn't have to do anything. Once I unlocked it, you were still in, okay. True, I did not shut down the stream. All right, let me shut down the screen. Okay, the stream, but I didn't think that, okay, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna unlock, or I'm gonna lock it again. Okay, so I've locked down the server. So I'm gonna start my stream again. And then I'll unlock it. Okay. Okay, well, hopefully tomorrow we don't have, that's a question there. You were in the entire time, Scott said. So, but you couldn't probably post though, right, Scott? Okay, well, that's the key. Locking down the server is just a matter of not being able to post. Okay. I mean, I suppose it doesn't matter if people can still see a screen and all that. It's just the inability to post is what we're looking for by locking down the server. Yeah, that's what I'll do. You're right. I should log out and come in completely fresh. Okay. Flash. First, I'll lock down the server again. Okay. Now I will actually exit. Now I'm going to stop my stream. Okay. And exit out. Okay. Now exiting out, I mean, all I did was this, but it seemed to, I've got this, I've got my little icon here and immediately, it immediately brings me back. So is that really logging out by clicking the X? I mean, I should know this, but so again, Pepe, is that actually exiting it? I mean, it seems like it should be when I click on the X, but is there another way of getting out that is more official? Okay, thank you, Shady. Well, hopefully that's it, and because, okay, I'm going to now unlock the server again. First of all, I'll start to stream. Okay, so I'm streaming now. Now I'm going to unlock the server. Now, let's say somebody is brand new and wants to get in. I have to, again, I don't know if this link is good forever. And where is that stupid invite again? Sorry, guys. Oh, man, I got to write down where invite is. I'm sorry, guys. I got to write it right down so I can quickly find it. I think it is set to never expire. I think, but that's a good point. Thank you, Shady. Yeah, you're right. Of course, you're right. Yeah, I see it now. So click on the trading room. Okay. As you say, just click on this, right click, and there's my invite. There's my invite. So let me just do it again though. Now set this link to never expire. Okay, boom. Here we go. So this link should be good forever, right? The gear icon, this one right here, the gear icon. My and set to a maximum number. Where am I going to find that? In here. Oh, on the invite. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, I got you. It says no limit. Okay, cool. So it says no limit right now and expire after never. So I hand out that link. That should be it. Well, let's hope then tomorrow there are no issues. People can get in using. So I guess I should save that link somewhere, that last link somewhere, because that's the link that everybody that should be used going forward. I mean, I guess I can change it, but does that make sense? I save that link. But how do new people know how to get into the room, Shady, if I don't give them a link? Or can I just generate a new link every day and it doesn't matter? Okay. See, what I want to do is kind of like I do here, and this is why I just want the one link. So here is the TI trading room. So I want to create something that's going to say the same thing, the TI trading room, and then that would be the Discord link that will always be used. So if somebody wants to get into the room, say, how do I get into the room? I can just copy this and paste it, and then they click on the link and they get in. Not this one. This is taking them to this room. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shady, and Pepe, and anybody else who's helping me. I do appreciate it. All right, guys, take a look at Summit here, SMMT, SMMT. Now, does anybody know if there is a way to pop out the chat? Just this. Anybody know, is there a way to pop this out? It seemed to be, I don't know if it's an issue or not, but because I do notice that, I mean, I have to have, I mean, this is a size that I have to have, even on my system, but I've got 3 monitors, so it's not a big deal. I do appreciate if you've got one monitor, maybe you don't want this big window. So does anybody know if there's a way to pop out the chat, like these tabs, like you can pop out the video? Because I guess with this, you can kind of size it way down if you want, I guess, or pop out the chat. You can pop the chat out. Of course, in this one, you can pop the chat out. BIVI, guys, BIVI is still hanging over 8. And Summit again over 4. This is so we've got the two of them, over those whole numbers. Bivi over 8 and Summit over 4, SMMT. I guess I can go to there must be a big Discord page in which or do a search to see if that chat can be popped out. Okay. Oh, look at this METC. METC has just been getting kicked still. METC. And CVNA has had a nice bounce today. Hi, CVNA. I mean, but look what happened. I mean, it got up to, had a nice move up to 478, right back down to 432, and then right back up to the high of the day for CVNA. CVNA is above yesterday's high, I believe now. Not right at yesterday's high, 488. So, I mean, there's the high over here of 719. If it wants to keep, I don't think today, of course, but hey, watch it tomorrow. I mean, who knows? Maybe it'll have a bit of a recovery. Remember, it's just a trade. It's not saying the company is worth anything. It's just a trade. Okay, I'm going to declare that PHVS is over. Fearless prediction. Here we go. This is the one I don't understand, Pepe. I keep seeing this 5 here, direct messages, okay? And I don't know if these are them right here, but I have X'd out a few of them and I don't, if I move back so I don't have to see the screen that I'm sharing. I just don't know where am I supposed to see these messages? And actually, what I should do, if that's what's happening, I should disable the direct messaging. I'm sure there must be a way in the settings. Oh, I see. Pending. Pending is there. 5 of them. So I'm not ignoring you guys. If I go, I guess if I do all that, then that goes away. Oh, okay, that goes away. Okay. Bivy, guys, BIVI still looks interesting. It's still hanging over 8. Oh, look at ASAN crawling back from the dead here. ASAN, after getting whacked a few days, and it's not quite an all-time low, but had earnings on the first, got hammered down, but it was already moving down. It was already moving down, so this was not just an earnings play that caused it to go down. This was already in a big descent. The high is 1640. That's the next high looking left on the daily chart. Yeah, you're right. CVNA is back from the dead a little bit, just at least for today. Okay, at least for today. It's above yesterday's high now, and the next high is over here at 650. I'm sorry, higher than that, I bet. 719 is the next high looking left. Well, let's not kid ourselves. This is not like, oh, I guess everything's okay with the company. I know you know that, but let's not kid ourselves. This is just people looking for, bottom fishing, anything. And as Blue Collar says, yeah, it's more. Look at that short float, probably short covering. Okay, guys, I think I'll wind this down. Thank you for all the help and indulgence, especially as we're trying to get the migration to this Discord room by January 3rd. Again, I'll have both rooms open until then, and encourage you to go over to Discord, from time to time, just to check it out, to make sure you understand how to get in and the look and the feel of it. I mean, it's really not that much different. There are the tabs here instead of here on the top. There are the tabs, same tabs. I've actually added a couple, the upgrades, downgrades, pre-market actives, things like that. And I have total flexibility in doing this, so that's what I do like about it. Yeah, CBNA ripping here now, guys. Okay, tomorrow is Friday. Okay, I'm going to shut the rooms down now. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. And I'll shut down maybe I'll keep Discord open for a while, but I'll shut down the YouTube